Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning off HDR and any dynamic image processing because those auto settings mask true brightness. Once done, put your display into game or standard mode so it behaves predictably. Then launch Call of Duty and go straight to Settings, Graphics, Brightness, or Gamma. You're doing this now to ensure the slider you adjust reflects actual luminance rather than an HDR tone map. Make sure those display-level features are disabled before moving on. You'll continue by using the game's built-in test pattern or calibration frame. This is the controlled reference you need. Move the brightness or gamma slider slowly until the darkest test bars are just visible while preserving shadow detail. If you crush blacks, you lose information. Once the range looks correct, tweak contrast and digital vibrance so colors stay natural and not washed out. Make incremental changes and recheck the test image until both finish by saving your new settings and restarting the game so the profile locks in. You should then test across multiple maps and lighting scenarios to ensure enemies remain visible without bright areas washing out. If something still looks off, don't panic. Restore your monitor's picture mode to defaults, update or reinstall display drivers, then repeat the calibration steps. Often a driver or HDR state was still interfering. That one troubleshooting step usually fixes persistent brightness problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.